to Bhavna's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make no fry with very little amount of oil Gobi cauliflower Manchurian using an air fryer. I really like the outside body of this air fryer. Looks great on the counter. First, I'm going to work on cauliflower. Cut cauliflower into bite-sized chunks. Wash cauliflower really well and keep aside. Into the mixing bowl, take 1 cup of chickpea flour, half cup of rice flour, paprika, garlic powder, turmeric powder, black or white pepper can be used, salt. Mix all dry ingredients. Add little water at a time to prepare the paste kind batter. It shouldn't be thin, it should be thick. Alright, batter is ready. As I said, not too thin, thick. Add cauliflower and coat cauliflower really well with the batter, like so. Next, let's make the Manchurian sauce. To prepare the Manchurian sauce, here I have the ingredients ready. Half cup of tomato puree, about 1/4 cup of celery. If you don't have celery, you can leave out. You can also use celery salt, readily available these days in the market. Celery enhances the flavor a lot, so I really love to add celery in the Manchurian sauce. 1/4 cup of spring onion, green onion basically. 1 tablespoon of red chili paste. You can use even red chili powder or readily available chili sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, salt to taste, vinegar, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 tablespoon garlic, and here I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and water. And of course I'm going to use oil. Heat up about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add spring onion, ginger and garlic, celery. I prefer to chop celery fine, but in this case there are a little bit bigger chunks. But since it's frozen, it looks like that, but they will just get right. Salt to taste. When everything is sautéed well, add tomato puree, chili sauce, soy sauce, vinegar, and give all this a really good stir. And as you can see, oil is oozing out, so that means everything is well cooked now. Next, add water slowly into the cornstarch and prepare the paste, and add into the sauce. Stir again. So the spicy Manchurian sauce is ready and ready to use. Now you can adjust with water for gravy. Turn off the stove. Turn on the air fryer. The Cosori air fryer has some preset cooking functions as well, such as for frozen. You can just press frozen, vegetables. So the time and the temperature is readily available for the quick reference, or you can just manually set using the temperature and the time. So I'm going to use 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so I don't need to change the temperature, but I'm going to change the time for preheating. So I'm going to preheat the air fryer at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Just for your information, I'm not getting paid for reviewing this air fryer. Here I have today Cosori brand air fryer. The company was generous enough to send me the air fryer at no cost, I love Cosori brand products. I have been using pressure cooker, so you might have seen me using Cosori pressure cooker in many videos. And so I was really excited for their product, Cosori brand air fryer. So hopefully this video will help you to decide which air fryer to buy. When the air fryer is done preheating, remove the basket carefully. Bring down the basket onto the heat-proof surface and arrange cauliflower into the single layer. The ladle spoon works better, so just go ahead and arrange. Even if you layer them in a single layer, they may stick to each other, so they need to be separated again once they are baked. So it is perfectly fine if you just randomly arrange into the single layer like so. And to make the Manchurian extra crispy, I prefer to use oil. So spray with oil, or you can drizzle or brush with oil, however you prefer. And this is ready to go back into the air fryer. And this time I'm going to set the air fryer at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After about 8 minutes, be sure to give Manchurian a shake in between. As you can see, the batter is already cooked, but I want to make a little bit crispy, so ready to go back for the remaining cooking. And one more time, spray with oil to get those crunchy Manchurian. And ready to go back into the air fryer. Alright, so the Manchurians are ready, and look at them. They have got little golden brown. Take out into the container, and I'm going to prepare the remaining Manchurians the same way. As you can see, some of them turns out really nice and golden brown. The sound indicates that they are crispy, crunchy Manchurians. Alright, so here I have the Manchurian ready. I have the sauce ready as well. Now, I usually prefer to mix Manchurian with sauce right before serving, so that the Manchurian stays a little crispy. But I am ready to serve, so let's get the plate ready. So for the cauliflower Manchurian, I'm going to add a little bit of water because I want a little bit of a gravy, not too much. Give it a good stir. Alright, so this is how I want the sauce for the Manchurian. Ready to add the Manchurian. Coat Manchurian with sauce. Alright, so the cauliflower Manchurian is ready. Bring down the Manchurian into the serving plate. Look at this yummy looking Manchurian. Garnish with spring onion, scallion also known as. Alright, so here I have my Manchurian plate ready. Cauliflower Manchurians made using an air fryer, and they look so tempting already. Crunchy, slightly crunchy outside, the soft cauliflower inside, and the most important, the flavor of the Manchurian sauce. By the way, if you would like to know more about air fryer, you can check the link under this video description. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipes, tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. Bhavna's Kitchen is almost everywhere. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest and more. And also you can download the free apps from Bhavna's Kitchen on your Android or iOS devices. You can also watch me on the big TV screen from Roku. Thanks for watching and see you soon.